Hello guys, VST Velian Speaks Tech. We are here for another unboxing video. Today is gonna be this item. Oops. Alright, what do we have here? We have a Nillkin Super Frosted Shield phone protection case for our beloved OnePlus 7 Pro. Alright, so anti-fingerprint, inside included phone kickstand, and it features matte texture, makes texture. So let's see guys, this is from Nillkin. I'm currently using my OnePlus 7 Pro, my beloved OnePlus 7 Pro, with the Aramid Fiber case. You can see the review of this case here. This case is very expensive, guys, it's $25. This one here, I think $5-6. So we're gonna compare this one with this one and also with this one, which is a original SandStone case by OnePlus, which is pretty much wasn't one of my favorite cases before it actually broke down here and here, so I don't like it anymore. But without any further ado, let's try to open this. Let's see how this works. Alright, I have here a little helper. Are you ready? Okay, I'm just do it like this, I don't really care. Okay, oh. Okay. Almost there. Hold your breath. Voila, okay, here it is. This we don't really need, guys. I'm gonna put it aside here. Boom, this is the case. Inside we have the so-called and the promised phone kickstand included. Discover innovation. I mean, how innovative is this? They even have a nice brochure here that displays, I guess, the very big innovation of a phone kickstand, guys. I'm playing stupid. Let's see how we can use the Nillkin phone holder, and there is apparently a video. Let's watch the video together. Big innovation, remember. Open the phone holder, okay. Put it onto the desktop. Ah, okay. What the, how? Jesus Christ. That's absolutely not working for my phone, guys, I can tell you. Oh, okay. Yeah, it does work, but you know, it's, yeah, anyway. Anyway, guys, we're not here for that one, so forget about this. Let's see and let's speak about the Nillkin Super Frosted Shield. Alright, so here it is. Guys, I can tell you, just by touching it, it really has a very nice grip. On the inside though, nothing. Let's compare it to the original SandStone case, guys. Okay, now you see here, one reason I never liked the SandStone case has these cuts here and here, and yeah, you know what happened when your phone falls like this. So this case from Nillkin apparently gives full protection. It has a very nice grip, so compared even to that one, I think it's probably about the same. But now the moment of truth, let's try to put it. And again, let me just be very cautious with this case, because this case again costed me $25, guys. This case here is 100% Aramid Fiber, and you know, it's a very nice case, protection everywhere, but no grip at all. Alright, so take my OnePlus, guys. Let me do it like this. We need to be very careful with our devices, you know, because we love our devices, so we want to maintain them in a good shape. Let's try to put the OnePlus. Oh wow, okay, cool. You know, first thing I noticed, guys, this looks absolutely stunning. So you might see here all the cutouts, very precise. Let me just show you here. Oops, Jesus Christ, come on, my cameraman, please be more serious. Cutouts, very nice, very nice. Yeah, alright, so there was something here, but this was from the case itself. Let's try to pop up the front camera, guys. Okay, let's go like this, let's do it like that. Alright, perfect cutout, so not a problem at all, okay. Very well. All the cutouts here at the bottom, you know, speakers, microphones, USB Type-C, all the controls. I guess everything is really perfect, so great job, Nillkin. In terms of grip, I would say a nice grip. Honestly, I do prefer this one a little bit better. I'm just closing my eyes, guys, and I'm just pretending that I'm winning the lottery. Yeah, okay, no, probably even this probably has a better grip, you know. Very nice looked, very stylish. When you look at the phone, you can barely notice that there is a case there, guys. Okay, let's just compare the parts here. You see what happened? So this is the original SandStone, guys. pretty much the same, but this is how, yeah, you see, unprotected area. So this is how the Nillkin is better. So I think for this like $5-6, probably one of the best cases you can get. Just look at this tiny detail. I like this very much, guys. The original SandStone has nothing here, and they even put a protection here. Even, you know, the original Aramid case has nothing here, and here, you know, we have protection. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you know what to do. I will not tell you to subscribe to my channel, and I will not tell you. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is what I want to tell you guys. I hope you have a nice rest of the day. DST over.